Hello. Today we will talk about the concentration of ions in water. So this is of course molarity, concentration of ions in water. And if I multiply the concentration of hydroxide times the concentration of hydrogen ions, it gives me 1 times 10 to the 14th, negative 14th. Okay. If I need to look for the concentration of hydroxide ions, I will divide 1 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by what they give me in hydroxide ions. Back to the original. If I need to find the concentration of hydroxide ions, I will divide, move this down, the concentration of 1 times 10 to the negative 14 over hydroxide ions to give me H plus. Back to the original. Example says, if I have 1 times 10 to a negative fifth molarity of hydroxide ions, what would be the concentration of hydrogen ions? Okay, so I am given hydroxide ions, therefore I will move that down like I did over here. This always stays. This is the Kw, it always stays. This is a constant of water. 1 times 10 to the negative 14 is a constant. Divide that by what they give me, which is 1.0 times 10 to the negative fifth. This over this, and I should get as the answer 1 times 10 to the negative 9 molarity. Okay, and of course this is concentration of hydrogen ions. Moving on. If the question says to me to find the concentration of hydroxide ions, I am given 3.5 times 10 to the negative fifth molarity of hydroxide. The question says find the concentration of hydrogen ions. This remains the same. 1 times 10 to the negative 14 divided by what they give me in hydroxide ions, 3.5 times 10 to the negative fifth. The result would be 2.86 times 10 to the negative 10 molarity of hydrogen ions. Okay, so regardless of what they want me to find concentration of water in water of the ions, this is the original. If I move this down, I'm looking for hydroxide ions. If I move this down, I'm looking for concentration of hydrogen ions. And of course, in the result of the question, since this is hydrogen ion concentration, this is a basic concentration because it is more than 7. And this one is also basic because it is more than 7. If the answer had been 7 or less, or so less than 7, it would be acidic. This one too. If the answer had been less than 7, it would be acidic. If we recall, anything above 7 is basic, anything below 7 is acidic. 7 is a neutral concentration. I hope this helps you out.